Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Our lecture series regarding trigonometry is continued. So, this the question 8. We are on exercise 8.2. The fourth part of that question is in front of us. So, let's take the right hand side. Okay. So, we'll take the right hand side here. So, let me write here proof or solution. So, right hand side. Okay. So, let me write here tan alpha plus cot alpha by 2. Now, so we know that in a simple form, we'll just write a line. Okay, this is the main fraction. So be careful about the main fraction. So here gonna be sine alpha over cos alpha. Then what is cot? That will be cos alpha over sine alpha. You know the simplest form, we have to come on the simplest form. So the simplest form of any trigonometric question is sine and cos. Okay. So tan and cot are not the simplest form. Now it is in a simplest form. So two fraction in between positive operation or sign will just do the LCM. So write 2 here, and what the LCM will be cos alpha and then sine alpha. Okay. So now cos will cancel. That will be sine square alpha, and here plus cos square alpha. Okay. So we know that sine square alpha plus cos square alpha will equal to 1. Okay. So that will be, let me write on the other side. So this is the main fraction, that 1, or add down, what should we write here? Cos alpha and then sine alpha, and then 2 here. Okay, this you know that. So this is the first, second, and this the third fraction. So the third fraction will do like that, come here like that. How? The 2 will be like this, 2 cos alpha and then sine alpha, or you can arrange 2 sine alpha or cos alpha like this, 2 sine alpha and cos alpha. So that will be equal to 1 by sine 2 alpha. Okay, and you know this sine 2 alpha, 1 over sine, that will be cosecant. Okay, this is basically cosecant 2 alpha, and that will be equal to left hand side. So I hope you understand this question. So let's move toward the next question here, and the next question is the fifth part of this exercise, the eighth question. Okay, so fifth part is, so let's take the left hand side here, that is sine power 4. Okay, so the left hand side is here 8 sine power 4. Okay, so let's do this. So let me write here 8, and you know that sine the power 4 we don't know, so I will just simplify in the 2 like this and write here 2. We know the formula of half angle here. Okay, so let me write here sine theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. I already told that is equal to sine square. Okay, or I already told this formula, how this come, how this formula came. Okay, in the previous videos you can see. Okay, I told okay, now just put the value of sine square, that gonna be 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. There will be the square here. Okay, we'll just put the open the square here. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, so cos square 2 theta, and the square of 2, that gonna be 4 here, add down. So that 4 will come out or will cancel out like this, 4 2 times 8 like this. Okay, so now the 2 is outside, so write here 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta. Again cos square 2 theta. Look here, there is no square value. Yes. So we'll just put the formula of this here. Okay. So let me write here cos square theta. That gonna be 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. If there will be cos square 2 theta, if the angle will double, on the other side angle will be 4 here. Okay, how? If cos square 2 theta will be here, then here 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2. Okay, so I think you understand this. So now we'll just put the value here. Cos square 2 theta will, this 4 cancel out, and now 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2 here. Okay, so let me solve this here. Okay, a little interruption was there. Now what it's gonna be? Close the bracket. Now we'll just put this 2 I will put out here, or you can take LCM. The values who don't have 2 will just write 2 in the form of multiples, like here 4 cos 2 theta, yes, and then plus 1 plus cos 4 theta. Okay, now we are just moving towards the proof here. So let me write here. Now these two remain outside till now. See this 2 plus 1, how much? That gonna 3. That's gonna be 3. And then negative 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. How much it will be? Look here. Negative cos 4 theta and then plus cos 2 theta. This remain as it is. Let me write cos negative cos 4 theta here